Hello everyone. In this video today, I'm talking to you about how to make money from Airbnb and short-term rentals. And this is a step-by-step guide that I am bringing to you in this video. How to make money from Airbnb and short-term rentals. The short-term rental market has exploded in recent years, and platforms like Airbnb have made it easier than ever to turn properties into lucrative income streams. Whether you own a property, whether you are renting out a spare room, or are managing properties for others, short term rentals offer excellent opportunities to make money. Here is a comprehensive guide to help you start earning with Airbnb and similar platforms. Number one thing you need to do is to understand the short term rental business. Short-term rentals involve renting out properties for shorter durations, typically ranging from one night to a few weeks. They cater to travelers, vacationers, and business professionals looking for a homier alternative to hotels. Platforms to consider include Airbnb, Vrbo, Booking.com, and local rental platforms. Now, in some countries, these platforms I've mentioned are not really available, or they are not popular, or they are not reckoned with, so to say. What you can do is to contact people that you think can be receiving visitors from time to time. For example, there are so many schools or tutorial centers around where students travel down to come and write special exams, terminal exams, and then these students have to be lodged somewhere. Those people that lodge the students somewhere, they actually look for a house where they can lodge them and they pay for the house. So you can approach them and let them know that you have some spare rooms in your house which such students can stay when they come around to write the exams. Now, why it's profitable? This approach or this method has lower operating costs than hotels. It is also flexible, it has flexible pricing strategies, and it has high demand for unique stays. Now, another way is choosing the right property. That is the second thing. Your success depends largely on the location and the appeal of your property. When we talk about location, properties near tourist attractions, business hubs, or transportation hubs attract more customers and more bookings and more claims. Property features also has impact. A clean, well-furnished space with amenities like Wi-Fi, a fully equipped kitchen, and comfortable beds enhances guest satisfaction. Tip for beginners is as follows. Start with what you already own, a spare room, a guest house, or a vacation home. Number three is preparing your property for guests. A well-prepared property ensures good reviews and repeat bookings. Cleanliness is key. Professional cleaning services can help maintain high standards. Amenities guests love. Offer basics like toiletries, towels, and coffee. Upscale options include smart home devices or outdoor spaces. Safety first. Install smoke detectors, provide a first aid kit, and ensure your property complies with local safety regulations. Number four is listing your property effectively. Creating an effective listing is crucial to capturing guest interest. High quality photos. Invest in professional photography or use natural light to showcase your property's best features. Compelling descriptions. Highlight unique features, location benefits, and nearby attractions when you are advertising your Airbnb or your short let. Competitive pricing. Research similar properties in your area to set a fair price. Use dynamic pricing tools to adjust rates based on demand. Now, number five is marketing your rental. To maximize profits and to maximize occupancy, you need to market your property effectively, and you can do that using social media. Promote your listing on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Then SEO optimized listing is another alternative for marketing your rental. In this case, you use relevant keywords in your search title and description to improve visibility on search engines. Then you also have to encourage people to encourage reviews. Positive reviews enhance your credibility and attract more bookings. Number six is managing bookings and guests. A similar booking and hosting experience leads to higher ratings and repeat customers. Instant booking. Enable instant booking for guests who prefer quick reservations, clear communication, respond promptly to inquiries, and provide detailed check-in instructions. Exceed expectation. Surprise guests with small gestures like a welcome basket or personalized notes. Number seven is scaling of your business. How do you scale your business? Once you've mastered managing one property, expand your operations. Acquire more properties, invest in additional properties in high demand locations. Co-hosting is also another alternative. Partner with other property owners to manage their listings for a share of the revenue. Then you also have professional management. Use software like Hostfully or Guesty to automate tasks like bookings and guest communications. Number eight approach in this sense is that you have to understand legal and tax obligations. You have to stay compliant to avoid legal issues. Local regulations. Check zoning laws, licensing requirements, and occupancy limits in your area. Then also tax reporting is another important thing you must take care of. Keep track of your income and expenses for tax filing. Some jurisdictions may have specific lodging rates. Insurance. Protect your property with homeowners insurance and consider short-term rental insurance for added coverage. Now, calculating potential earnings is number nine thing we want to look at. Your income will vary based on property type, location, and also based on the demand and even based on the season of the year. Example, a well-located apartment in a tourist hotspot could earn $2,000 to $5,000, and in Nigeria it could earn equivalent in naira per month, with rural properties earning and generating about a quarter of that amount. Now, what are the key metrics one should look at in this case? The occupancy rate, the nightly rates, and operational cost are some of the things you have to look at. Now, before I call it a day on this video, I want to tell you about the pros and cons of short-term rentals. Before diving in, weigh the benefits and also weigh the challenges. The benefits are as follows. There's high earning potential. There's also flexibility and the ability to start small. Now, the cons is that seasonal demand is involved, maintenance cost is involved, and potential for difficult guests is also there. Now, I would like to let you know that Airbnb and short-term rentals are excellent opportunities to generate income, but success requires planning, effort, and a guest-centric approach. By choosing the right property, marketing effectively, and delivering exceptional guest experiences, you can build a profitable business that grows over time. Start small, learn the ropes, and scale as you gain confidence. Your journey to financial freedom could begin with your first booking. So, what are you waiting for? Take the lead and go into this business that I've just shared with you now. Now, my name is Dr. Olubin Gaditutu, and I'm your host on this YouTube channel called Dr. Olubin Gaditutu TV. Please like this video, share the link of this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and drop your comments and questions in the comment section below. I am aware that some people are watching now and they are saying that I do not have the money to start this short-term rental. Where am I going to get the money to start? Where am I going to get the money to build an apartment and ask people to lodge to rent it out? Now, that is why I'm starting an investment forum, an investment club, an investment association, an investment group, a group of people that are investors, so that if you have 10 million, another person have 5 million, another person have 1 million, another person have 100,000. If you can get 100,000 in 100 places, that is already a lot of millions. So that is what I intend to do, gathering a lot of people together so that they can put in some money together and then they can do something regarding property and make money and then share the money back to themselves. So if you're interested in this, I have created a dedicated group for this purpose. If you drop your phone number in the comment section of this video, asking me to add you to that WhatsApp group, and then that is where we are going to continue the discussion. I'm going to add you to that WhatsApp group, and then we'll take it up to the next level. I'm going to talk to you in the next one. This video that is popping up by the side from my YouTube channel is the next you should see now. Compliments of the season to you, and have a good one.